Hey guys, welcome to Cooking the Weeds. Today we're going to make a chicken and kale dish, okay? That's SIRTFOOD friendly. So, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button right now and hey, let's just get to it. Okay guys, here we go. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to start our chicken, our SIRTFOOD friendly recipe. I'm going to start here with a chicken breast, not a big one. And what we want to do is we want to marinate this first. So we're going to start it off with some kosher salt, black pepper, and this is a mixture of turmeric and some dried parsley. We're just going to kind of coat that on the chicken breast. Okay. We'll flip it over. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Some turmeric, black pepper, and kosher salt. Okay. So now what we have here is we're just going to take a bag with some olive oil in it. We're going to take our chicken. We're going to put it in this bag. We're going to let that marinate in the refrigerator. Oh, half an hour, 45 minutes. Alright guys, so while our chicken's marinating, let's get some prep done. So we're going to start with an onion. And I'm just going to give this a nice julienne right here. Some garlic. Now the SIRTFOOD. So I did a little research on that and I was reading that they say it contains a chemical that mimics the effects of exercise. And is that true? I don't really know. But what I do know is that this is going to come out really good. Okay, so now we have our chicken been marinating in here for quite some time, and brought the pan up, hit that with just a little bit of olive oil. Okay. Now, here's what we want to do. When we take this out of here, let's use a pair of tongs because the turmeric will stain your hands. It'll stain your pots, your pans, but it's okay because it's super good for you. All right, can bring that up there. All right, so this is going to cook. The size of this chicken breast will not take long, probably 4 minutes each side. But the health benefits of rooted vegetables, garlic, onions, horseradish, ginger, turmeric, I mean, it goes back to the Middle Ages. If you were to Google the health benefits of these SIRTFOOD items, you'd be surprised and be amazed. Okay, so this is done. I'm going to color on that right there. We're going to put that on the back burner for a few minutes. That took 5 minutes each side on a medium heat. All right, medium low. All right, so the chicken's hanging out, and you can see here I've got some gorgeous kale. This is actually from my garden. It's almost November up here in Connecticut, and this stuff is just unbelievable. So I already went ahead and washed it. All right, so now we're going to put our kale. We're going to strip it down, strip the back, throw it in the pan. Back into the saute pan, but you want this on low heat. You don't want the oil mixing with the water splashing up on my face. So we're just going to strip this down. Now, this may look like a lot, but as you know, if you've cooked kale before, or spinach, it wilts down to very minimal. All right, so that should be good for what we're going for here. Okay, so before this cooks all the way down, now we're going to hit it with some diced onions and garlic. I'm going to mix that right in there. Now guys, we're cooking this on a low burner. Low and slow. I want it crispy, but we don't want it to burn. Low and slow. Okay guys, this is looking pretty good here. We're going to finish it off with a little kosher salt, a little black pepper, and a little balsamic vinegar. Just a shot. Oh man. Does that smell amazing? Stir that up. Shut off your burner. All right, there we have it. Our SIRTFOOD chicken and kale. Turmeric seasoning. Oh, does that look good? That looks delicious. Right there. All right. Not only is this healthy, but this is something you can throw together really in no time. I mean, between the marinating the chicken and prepping the kale, you could have this ready to go in half an hour. Okay, now let's see how this came out. Like I said, this smells outstanding. That is delicious. Guys, I really hope you like this recipe. I can post a recipe on my website, cookingtheweeds.com, link in the description. And be sure to check out this video right here. And hey, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.